we'll demonstrate double buttonhole stitch. It consists of 2 rows of buttonhole stitch, facing each other, with a small gap in the middle. Arrange top and bottom. Let me demonstrate. Come up at left line end here. You can see there are some vertical lines drawn. We take down at these vertical lines. Be careful not to go near the bottom. You can see there's a gap left here. So this has top and bottom distinction. When stitching, we need to pay attention, whether it belongs to top or bottom. When stitching the top row of buttonholes, only stitch this top line. Don't worry about bottom row for now. We take down at this line segment end. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. You can hold it down with finger. Come up at intersection point of 2 lines. Forming a buttonhole. You can see here in this horizontal line below, there's a gap left between them. So take down at end of this vertical line. Same way, don't pull tight. Come up at intersection point of 2 lines. Note, each time coming up must go through loop. This way, it can form interlocking state. Come up at intersection point above it. Following this method, complete remaining lines. Keep stitch length and spacing consistent. This way the buttonhole stitch. Lines will be straight. When stitching, make them interlock. This creates a continuous row of buttonholes. Final stitch. Take down close to outer edge. Now top row of buttonhole stitch is complete. Bottom row uses same method. I changed to another color for bottom row to make overall colors more vibrant. Also, come up at left line end. If you find it difficult to stitch below, you can adjust the fabric. We can flip the fabric, adjust the direction, put the unstitched line at the top. This makes stitching more convenient and simple. If you don't want to adjust, that's fine too. Use your most comfortable, most convenient method for embroidery. We can see this vertical line has a small gap from the line below. We take down at end of this vertical line. Same way, don't pull tight. Leave a small loop on fabric. You can hold it down with finger. Come up at intersection of vertical and horizontal. Note, each time coming up must go through loop. This way, it can form interlocking state. If coming up outside the loop, it won't form this kind of buttonhole. Naturally won't form interlocking lines. So each time coming up must be inside loop. When stitching, align stitches of 2 rows. This way creates neat effect and presents dimensionality. Double buttonhole stitch, perfect for stitching outline edges or fabric lace decoration, can achieve great locking effect. Take down close to outer edge, securing it firmly. Let's see the finished effect.